Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today I'll be doing a singles read. This is not for the ones who have somebody in their life or waiting for their exes to come back. This is for my newbies who have nobody that they have in their life and they're looking for new love. So let's see what's going to come up for you guys. I mean, thrice this card's tried to pop out and I've been trying to push it back, Libra, and this is the Three of Cups. Okay, so I don't know why this has been literally, if you go, rewind this video again and see, it came out 2-3 times and I've been pushing it back until it fell on the table. So I'm going to keep it here and see why it's come out for us. So Libra spirit, newbies, if they're looking for new love, and these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please send us the messages for Librans who are looking for new love. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin. The Strength card, 6 of Wands, 9 of Swords, and then the 9 of Cups. Wow, 2 nines together. Hermit. So right now you could be, by yourself and wondering if love will ever come to you. Trying to stay strong maybe, yeah. But still in hermit mode. So why is the Strength card here, Spirit, for Libra's love life? Why is the Strength card here for Libra's love life, for new love? You're holding back from anything that doesn't feel good to you, Libra. You want it all or nothing. You're waiting for the soulmate to arrive in your life, it seems. Till then, you'd rather be single, you'd rather be in hermit mode, you'd rather hold back from, just going out there and partying. Maybe you are partying or meeting friends, but it's only friends. You're not willing to invest in anyone till you find your soulmate. Until then, you're being very strong and holding back. 6 of Wands. Victory is coming, that's for sure. 6 of Wands. What's the 6 of Wands, Spirit? All right, wishes coming true. Yes, they may have been a bit slow in coming, Libra, but look at this. Suddenly, out of the blue, here comes clarity on a soulmate, which is going to be your wish come true. Maybe you meet somebody at a social gathering or through social friends or family or something, just while you're out there having fun, not really expecting much, not giving attention to anyone who doesn't seem the perfect one for you, right? And suddenly, boom, out of the blue comes in this Ace of Swords, wish fulfillment, and makes you feel on top of the world. Okay, then why do you get stressed out? Spirit, why does Libra get stressed out? Here, 9 of Swords. Page of Cups. Yes, somebody coming in with an offer. Page of Cups. And then, see, you're kind of not trusting anyone right now. Maybe you've been in hermit mode for so long. You want to first get information. You want to find out, is this the right person for me? Let me find out. Let me Google this person's name or find out, through their social media. I'm right now single, I'm abundant, I'm taking care of myself, I'm growing my pentacles, I'm looking good. All right, I've been in solitude I've been in hermit mode, but I'm strong, I'm victorious in my life. And yes, I am looking for a soulmate, but I have to make sure they're the perfect person, right? So is it better to be single or should I kind of give them a chance? But this person is coming in with a very, very, very sweet offer. Okay, now this sweet offer is going to make you a bit stressed out initially, but then I see it ending with the 9 of Cups. This is happiness. This is wish fulfillment. Normally, Libra, the 9 of Cups is a card where in the regular normal, other decks, you see a man sitting there with his arms folded, having 9 cups and saying, hey, I'm happy the way I am. But in this deck, it's actually got 2 people. See? It's got 2 people here enjoying life. This is wish fulfillment, having your soulmate with you. So, Spirit, can we have a card or 2 on the 9 of Cups as well? 9 of Cups. Oh my God, Libra. I mean, this offer is only growing, okay? May start off small with the Page of Cups, and then it grows into the Knight of Cups, and before you know it, you'll be looking into your future. You'll be looking into your future, and whatever you guys will be planning is going to make you both really, really happy. There's going to be a cause for celebration, I feel. Anything else, Spirit, for Libra's love? New love? New love for Libra? This is going to be such a fantastic partnership, Libra. This promises to have equal give and take. Six of Pentacles. You give me, I give you, and together we prosper. And that's a beautiful partnership to have, isn't it? No wonder you're feeling like the Nine of Cups. So yes, you've been strong, you've been holding back, you have been in hermit mode, I think, for a long time. But before you know it, you're getting a victory. And it's leading straight to the Ten of Cups. This is a happily ever after, Libra. Okay, so and now what I'm going to do, Libra, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards. If this future person had to say something to you, what would that be? Libra's love interest, Spirit, or Libra to them. What would they like to say to each other? Okay. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. This looks like you, Libra, because you're holding back. You're not ready to kind of go out with just about anyone. You either want the one or none at all, right? You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Yes, this could be your initial hesitation that you're going to come into when you start saying, hey, stressing out and saying, hey, I'm not sure whether I want to accept this offer, and maybe spy on them a little bit to find out. So this person might feel you pulling away from them. So just be a little mindful of that. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Yes, they're going to win over your heart, Libra. Like I saw, they came in with a small cup of love here, maybe some flowers, some chocolates, and then maybe the offer grew. It'll just keep growing from what I see. So little by little, I think this person is going to finally win your heart. To the extent where they're going to be saying, I'm afraid of losing you. I want you forever. That is so beautiful. I think good times are coming, Libra. Don't lose heart if there's nobody in your life right now. Okay, you have been strong. You're doing very well for yourself from what I see. The Nine of Pentacles is an energy where you want somebody perfect in your life. You don't need just about anyone. And that's exactly what your intention has been till now. Universe, bring me my Two of Cups. Somebody who's on my level. And that's what you'll be getting from very soon, I see. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care, love and light. Till next time then, namaste.